Hey there, Julian from MemberStack here, and in this video I want to show you how to make an exit intent pop-up with Bricks Builder. So when your user's mouse goes out of the viewport, out of the screen, it is going to trigger this pop-up. So let's go ahead and do that. The first thing that I'm going to mention is that you do this with Bricks templates. So hover over Bricks and go to templates. Then click on add new template, and let's just call this exit intent. And for select template type, we're going to want to select pop-up because Bricks actually has some specific stuff for building pop-ups, which is going to help us quite a bit. So let's go ahead and click edit on there. And now you can go ahead and design whatever you want to have in your pop-up. But what I'm going to do in this case is I'm going to go over here to Bricksboard, which is our site that we just released, which has completely free community generated Bricks components, no sign up, login, nothing needed. Go ahead and hit copy now. I'm going to select this one right here so that it looks like that. Now back over here in Bricks Builder, we are going to paste that in. And as we can see, everything looks as we want it to. Just the one thing that we're going to need to do is go over here into settings, go to template settings, go to pop-up. And then when a screen is, let's say, a bit thinner like this, we're not going to want it to go right to the edge. So let's go ahead and just set this to like 5%. That is going to make things look quite a bit better. And just in case it's touching the top two, let's set it 5% top and bottom. So then we have a whole bunch of different settings here. I'm going to leave it as close on backdrop and escape. Now I'm also going to show you how to make this close button work. And the other thing we're going to want to do is remove this white box around it because Bricks by default sets the content padding to 30 and 30. So let's go ahead and remove that. And there we go. We have this pop-up looking good. Let's go ahead, save it, and open our page. So what we're going to see is absolutely nothing because, well, we just made a pop-up. We haven't actually told it where to go yet. So let's go ahead and do that right now. First things first, go to conditions in template settings, select add condition, and select where you want it to show up. You could do entire website, you could do individual. I'm going to do individual and just select this page 3 right there. I'm going to go ahead and hit save because I am an individual that likes to save everything he does. Then over here on pop-up, we're actually going to set this to show on exit intent. So under interactions, we're going to click add interaction. We are going to, for a trigger, select mouse leaves window. And then for action, we are going to select show element. And then we could just, I believe, leave it as self right here, just like that. So now I'm going to go ahead, save this, go back over here, refresh, and now my mouse is going to leave the viewport to the left. As we can see, the pop-up opened beautifully, and yeah. So one final thing to try is this close button, and it doesn't work because the animation was set up in the Bricksboard component. So let's go ahead and make that work right now. Let's go ahead and select our icon right here, and then let's add an interaction to it. Let's click add. And for trigger, let's do click. Let's go hide element. For target, we'll select pop-up, and for pop-up, we'll select exit intent. So now let's go ahead and save that. Go back over here to our page, trigger the pop-up again by leaving the viewport. And now let's go ahead and click this X. And as we can see, we now have our exit intent pop-up working perfectly fine. So I hope this helped you. If you want more Bricks related content, drop a comment below. I'll talk to you soon and have a great day.